Building Wealth, The Path to Financial Freedom. Chapter 1, Video Number 2. The Traditional Career Journey. In today's fast-paced world, the traditional notions of finding a great job, earning a living wage, paying off a huge mortgage, and amassing generous retirement savings are no longer practical for the common man. Nowadays, many people are dissatisfied with their current job. Employees and employers often seem like robots, detached from their true selves. This disconnection comes from constantly finding yourself in humiliating or challenging situations, from wanting to be somewhere else and do something different. But society has ingrained in us the belief that if we want to earn a high salary, we must be in a constant race that leaves us little time to breathe. Also, climbing the corporate ladder has become a tedious task. Tough competition and a lack of orientation in dealing with corporate policy and entry challenges make the path difficult. While digitization has created countless opportunities, it has also changed or replaced some career paths. We live in a time when digital innovators and entrepreneurs are celebrated. If you can conceive an innovative idea, implement it, and turn it into a profitable company, you can achieve enormous professional success. You may not have to rely solely on your job to make ends meet and maintain your financial cushion. However, stepping into uncharted territory and giving up a secure 9-to-5 job can be daunting. Without a guarantee of success, it is difficult to embark on the entrepreneurial path. People often stay in their jobs because they have to pay for basic expenses such as rent, food, and transport. The fear of choosing a different career and failing is understandable. Most prefer to stick with stability and security, even if it means missing out on unfamiliar new adventures. Unfortunately, working hard from 9 to 5 can leave a man without the energy to seek other business opportunities or outside pursuits. If you are currently working, it is very important to be aware of the obvious fact that your income will not keep pace with inflation and the rising cost of living. For example, college tuition has grown 8 times faster than wages since 1988. The cost of weddings has increased 370% since the 1970s, while average home prices have increased 20-fold since the 1950s. Mortgages that cost $50 a month in 1950 now require payments of $800 or more a month. Let me ask a serious question: can you imagine a job today where wages have increased 20-fold since 1950? It's a difficult task. The median salary was about $3,300 in the 1950s and about $40,000 in 2020, a mere 15-fold increase. However, today we have higher expenses and a higher cost of living than previous generations. These frightening numbers show why many young professionals get stuck in everyday stress and hardly look for additional sources of income. While some people actively experiment with multiple income opportunities and remain open to unconventional opportunities, a significant percentage of people have unrealistic expectations. They believe that by relying solely on their current job, supplemented by Social Security benefits and modest savings, they can overcome economic challenges, pay off debt, and enjoy a comfortable retirement. Unfortunately, the reality is much more complex than we think. To successfully navigate this changing landscape, it is crucial to adopt a new mindset, one that recognizes the need for flexibility and adaptability in today's economy. Relying solely on traditional employment may no longer provide the financial security we seek. Instead, we need to explore alternative avenues, consider different sources of income, and think creatively about how to build wealth and ensure a prosperous future.